Hi guys, it's definitely been a little bit. I don't know, I just don't have anything to film or record. If you have any ideas, leave them down below. But today I'm here for my Ipsy bag, which is my favorite thing to do on here besides like merch hauls and all that. So this bag is pretty. I thought it was gonna be black, but it's like this green color. And it's kind of, well, it's like a soft little spiky one. And the inside it's pink, like always, for some weird reason. So here is this bag, and here is the first item. And let me get up my paper so I can read it. First item is this pore purifying mask from Biorace. It's just basically a clear mask. You apply it and you take it off after about 15 minutes. Sensation that's refreshing on a hot humid day. Well, I definitely need that today. It's like 100 degrees here, and I've been taking nappies, so that's why I'm like, you can use this 1 to 2 times a week, and yeah, you just move it on your face, and it's a pretty decent, good size. Also, number 2, see if I can pull out, is this super tiny item. It's from Elizabeth Mott, and I've definitely gotten a few items from this brand. And this is a primer, and it's called Thank Me Later Illuminating Primer. And it says, made with pearl powder, this dewy primer gives a natural looking radiance, plus it's lightweight, sweat-proof, waterproof for hot summer days and nights. It's good that they have like items that are good for the summer. I actually tried this the other day and it worked really well. When you take it out, it's purple color. I know it doesn't show up, but first what I did was, when I was putting it on, it was green, and then when I rubbed it on my face, it's like a purple glittery tint to it, but like not glitter, it's like just luminous. So after you put on foundation, obviously you can't see all that color, but it does give you like a little glow. So I liked using that, and I would like swatch it, but it's tiny enough, so I don't want to waste any. Number 3 is this brush. It's from Luxy Beauty, and it's a periwinkle blending brush in number 237. And everybody knows how to use brushes, but here it is. I love this periwinkle little color. Ooh, it's super soft, and these kinds of brushes are my favorite, so I'm excited to try this on and add this to my collection. That reminds me I had to wash my brushes, and I don't want to think about that. Let's go to 4. It's almost over. In this packaging, ooh, it is the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, and I've been meaning to try this because it's Jeffree Star's favorite. But I never got to try it because I already have so many mascaras from Ipsy. But I like the little packaging. I know they're not going to send out a full-size roller lash, but here is what it looks like. And it's like super pretty. Let me look at the little wand. Ooh, it's super tiny and spiky. Sometimes I like big wands that are not clumping, but hopefully my brow is a little mess. Hopefully this one works and it's like not too spiky for me. But yeah, I know like the full size, it's more like pretty packaging, but I'll have to stay with this one. And if I like it, I can get the full size. Gently wiggle the wand from base of your lashes to the tip. That's how you use it. And it says this is also water resistant, and it stays on for 12 hours, in case you didn't know, because I didn't. Last item, obviously another skincare item. Ipsy knows me by now. It's from Papa Recipe, and this is a Bombi Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. It smells like skincare. I don't know how to explain it. And let's see how we use this. Dispense a dime-sized amount of the product and massage into rich lather. Gently cleanse your face and rinse through. So yeah, just like any cleanser. Let's read some more about this. This says it's a Korean skincare brand, and it's made with honey, propolis, and olive fruit oil. Yeah, I think I smell honey with skincare on this. But yes, I'm excited to try this skincare item out, and I'm actually excited to try all these items out because these are items that I always use. Like I always need mascara, primer, brushes, and then skincare items. Obviously, I use them on a daily basis. And I think this month's theme was Bury Yourself. So it's like all like skincare. Well, kind of. I mean, when I go bare, I usually use a primer and mascara, so it explains it. Today, like, I woke up super early, got it ready, and then I just went to bed after. So I woke up and I'm like, I need to film. So yes, this was my August Ipsy. I love this bag. I've been loving my bags recently. If you guys want to sign up, there is a link down below. If you guys want to check out more Ipsy videos before you think like you need to sign up, they're also at the bottom. Well, a few videos are also at the bottom. Yeah, Ipsy is great, and this matches my shirt. And it's like always getting everything that I need right. Hopefully I can do more videos. I know I am doing a bit buying lately because I am going to Vancouver in January and I'm buying clothes for that. I need to buy like travel safe makeup items and some more clothes and merch. So I'll be doing unboxings and stuff like that, and I'll definitely be vlogging Vancouver, even though it's like 5 months away. Like I'm already talking about it because I'm super excited. But yeah, I'll be doing that, so in case you're interested, stay tuned. I know it's far from now, but I'll be reminding you guys in my videos. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.